Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Shantz.
Hi, I'm RIZ. We're from the RIZ team.
And we are excited to bring you this beautiful home at 542 Isaiah Crescent.
You're gonna love this home. 3 bedrooms, nice ensuite in the master, a fully finished loft area for entertaining. You're just gonna love this home. Come on in, let's take a closer look.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed the tour.
For details on this or any one of our other fantastic homes, be sure to get a hold of the RIZ team. And remember, don't put it on hold, call RIZ to get it sold.